and little taste on a new project, and that's this bell. This is a bell from the church. So what's wrong with this bell? This bell has not head, has not heart. Heart is in my hand, and it's overall in bad shape, so I need to make a new head, new hanging for the heart, and also I need to determine in the bell tower where this bell will go, and make a new stool and all the things which are related to the bell work. So that was a little short. So see you in the project.